Hey bestie, this is Zami and this is my 2025 achievement cake. So this year bestie, I did my first ever solo travel sa Netherlands, which is celebrate ko yung birthday ko there, at I discovered a lot of things about myself. Also this year bestie, I was able to travel 8 European countries. At it made me realize na super ganda pa talaga ng mundo. This year din, bestie, I survived my 2 years of au pair journey sa Norway. Hindi siya naging madali, pero it made me stronger, wiser, and more resilient. At ngayon, nasa Denmark na ako to continue my au pair journey. At because of my hard work, dedication, at pagiging matipid, I paid my first ever lot investment sa Pilipinas for my family and para na din sa self ko, for my future. At this year, I choose peace and love, and I let go of the things I can't control and focus na lang sa mga taong nagmamahal and sa mga nagsosupport sa akin.